Topic 10, Commercial Production. Lesson 4, Quality Management. Quality management focuses on producing products of consistent, required quality. Designers should ensure that the quality of products is consistent through detailed manufacturing requirements. Quality management reduces the potential waste of resources through quality control, statistical process control, and quality assurance. Effective quality management can have major benefits for the environment. Implementation of quality management requires a critical and complete understanding of the needs of a product. To ensure the efficiency and the efficacy, these measures need to be designed into the product and its production system. Efficacy is a word that you didn't hear a whole lot until recently. Now it's 2020 when I'm making these videos, and we've got the COVID virus going and the vaccines are starting to come out. And the big word that they advertise is the efficacy. Basically, how well have these vaccines worked in clinical trials? Because we assume that if they have a high efficacy, that when we roll it out to the general public, we're going to see a very high effectiveness of those vaccines to the general public. The other thing on this chart is efficiency. Quality control. Tolerances are defined at the design stage of the machinery. Parts not within tolerance need to be reworked or scrapped. Machines must perform to the predetermined standard or quality. This eliminates waste and defects, as workers are responsible for the quality of the work they do. Now, and if you look in the bottom right here, it's a drawing. It's potentially a manufacturing drawing, something we could go use this to produce this part that we're seeing in these three views. It's got a bunch of dimensions on it. And this chart right here shows us the tolerances. And the way you use this is depending on the number of the different numbers behind the decimal, whether they just give you a tenth, or if they give you to the hundredths or to the thousandths, that determines the accuracy of the tolerances. Okay, obviously, there's going to be a little flexibility. There always has to be. But some of these dimensions are very tight, and some of them are a little looser. Statistical process control. A quality control tool that uses statistical methods to ensure that a process operates at its most efficient. Measuring components to ensure that it meets the required standard in order to eliminate waste. Quality assurance covers all activities from design to documentation. It also includes the regulation of the quality of the raw materials, the assemblies, the products and components, the services related to production, of management, and of the inspection process.